In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best baby bottle washer, sterilizer and dryer on Amazon in 2026. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best baby bottle washer, sterilizer and dryer on Amazon. Number 1, Momcozy KleanPal Pro Baby Bottle Washer, Sterilizer and Dryer, all-in-one automatic cleaning machine for bottles, breast pump parts and baby accessories, fast and hygienic baby care. 3-in-1 functionality: wash, sterilize, and dry baby bottles and accessories in one easy cycle. 360-degree deep cleaning power effectively removes milk residue and buildup from every angle. Steam sterilization eliminates 99.9% of harmful bacteria for safer feeding. Hot air drying system keeps bottles dry, clean, and ready to use. Spacious and versatile capacity fits multiple bottles, nipples, and pump parts. Simple touch controls user-friendly operation with multiple cleaning modes. Time-saving design reduces manual washing and simplifies daily baby care. Make baby care easier with the Momcozy KleanPal Pro Baby Bottle Washer, Sterilizer and Dryer, a convenient all-in-one solution for busy parents. Designed to handle washing, sterilizing, and drying in one cycle, this machine helps keep your baby's feeding essentials clean, safe, and ready to use. Its powerful 360-degree cleaning system reaches every corner to remove milk residue, while high-temperature steam sterilization eliminates 99.9% of germs. The built-in hot air drying function ensures bottles come out dry and hygienic, preventing moisture buildup. With a large capacity and easy-to-use controls, the KleanPal Pro can clean multiple bottles, nipples, and pump parts at once, saving time and effort every day. It's the perfect choice for parents looking for a faster, more hygienic way to care for baby essentials. Number 2, Bare Bottle Washer Pro Baby Bottle Washer, Sterilizer and Dryer all-in-one machine with 90 detergent tablets. Automatic cleaning for bottles, pump parts and baby essentials. All-in-one cleaning solution: wash, sterilize, and dry bottles, pump parts, and baby accessories in one convenient machine. Includes 90 detergent tablets, ready-to-use cleaning tablets for effective and hassle-free washing. Powerful 360-degree cleaning system deep cleans stubborn milk residue and hard-to-reach areas. High-temperature steam sterilization kills up to 99.9% of harmful bacteria for safe baby feeding. Efficient hot air drying keeps items dry, clean, and ready for immediate use. Large capacity design holds multiple bottles and accessories in a single cycle. User-friendly controls simple operation with multiple cleaning modes for convenience. Time-saving and hands-free reduces manual washing effort. Perfect for busy parents. Simplify your daily routine with the Bare Bottle Washer Pro, an all-in-one baby bottle washer, sterilizer, and dryer designed for modern parents. This multifunctional machine takes the hassle out of cleaning by combining power. Number 3, NCVI Large Baby Bottle Washer, Sterilizer and Dryer, holds 6 bottles and pump parts, hospital-grade steam sanitizer, fast 1941 min cycles, all-in-one cleaning machine for busy moms. All-in-one cleaning system: wash, sterilize, and dry baby bottles, pump parts, and accessories in one machine. Large capacity for 6 bottles, designed to handle multiple bottles and feeding essentials in a single cycle. Hospital-grade steam sterilization eliminates up to 99.9% of harmful germs for safe baby feeding. Fast cleaning cycles: choose between quick 19-minute or deep 41-minute wash modes. A powerful 360-degree cleaning reaches every corner to remove milk residue and build up effectively. Hot air drying function keeps items dry, hygienic, and ready to use immediately. User-friendly operation: simple controls for easy, stress-free daily use. Perfect for busy parents, saves time and reduces the need for manual washing. Make bottle cleaning faster and more efficient with the NCVI Large Baby Bottle Washer, Sterilizer and Dryer. Designed for busy parents, this all-in-one machine combines washing, hospital-grade steam sterilization, and drying into one seamless process, helping you maintain a clean and safe feeding. Number 4, Papablic Bottle Sterilizer and Dryer Pro Max, Extra Large 13-bottle capacity, electric steam sterilizer for baby bottles, pump parts and newborn essentials. Extra Large 13-bottle capacity, perfect for big families, holds up to 13 bottles plus accessories in one cycle. Powerful steam sterilization uses high-temperature steam to eliminate up to 99.9% of harmful germs. Efficient drying system automatically dries bottles and parts with clean, filtered hot air. Multi-level modular design. Adjustable racks to fit bottles, nipples, pacifiers, and pump parts. Easy one-touch operation. Simple control panel for hassle-free daily use. Safe and hygienic storage keeps contents sterile for extended periods after cleaning. Time-saving solution reduces manual effort, ideal for busy parents and large households. Keep your baby's feeding essentials clean and safe with the Papablic Bottle Sterilizer and Dryer Pro Max, designed with an extra-large capacity to meet the needs of growing families. Capable of holding up to 13 bottles along with pump parts and accessories, this powerful sterilizer makes daily cleaning faster and more efficient. Using high-temperature steam, it effectively eliminates up to 99.9% of harmful bacteria, ensuring hygienic feeding every time. The built-in drying system circulates filtered hot air to dry bottles and accessories completely, preventing moisture buildup and keeping items ready for immediate use. Its modular, multi-level design allows you to customize the Number 5 Grownsy Adjustable 4-in-1 Large Baby Bottle Sterilizer and Dryer, 8-bottle capacity, electric steam sanitizer for bottles, pacifiers and breast pump parts. 4-in-1 multifunction design sterilizes, dries, stores, and deodorizes baby bottles and accessories in one unit. 8-bottle large capacity holds up to 8 bottles along with pacifiers and pump parts. Powerful steam sterilization eliminates up to 99.9% of harmful germs using high-temperature steam. Adjustable modular structure. Flexible stacking system to fit different bottle sizes and accessories. Efficient hot air drying circulates clean air to dry items thoroughly and prevent moisture buildup. Safe storage function keeps contents sterile for extended periods after cleaning. Easy one-touch operation. Simple controls for convenient daily use. Compact and space-saving design, ideal for kitchens with limited counter space. Simplify your baby care routine with the Grownsy Adjustable 4-in-1 Large Bottle Sterilizer and Dryer, designed to handle sterilizing, drying, and storing in one compact system. With an 8-bottle capacity and adjustable modular design,